past resort living, you should have fun toppings when you're making crepes. So I'm making blackberry sauce for some of them. Added about half a cup of water and about 2 tablespoons of sugar, kind of tasted it to make sure it's sweet enough. And then I added my beautiful blackberries and I just let it sit there. While the blackberries were simmering in syrup, I added my eggs, my melted butter, flour to make my crepes. I don't want the blackberries to get very mushy, just enough to have enough syrup. And the blackberries are looking beautiful. I turned it off and waited for all my crepes to be made. I think when you make crepes, you need to be even more patient than making pancakes. It just takes a little bit longer, but they are delicious. They are my favorite breakfast. So I keep making my crepes and putting them aside on a different plate. Pouring my beautiful blackberry sauce in a small container, and I'm gonna have it served on top of the crepe and also just on the side for more sauce. My other delicious toppings, this is very summery, is going to be peaches, bananas with cinnamon, and of course maple syrup, except for the one that I'm serving with blackberry sauce, and of course powdered sugar to make it beautiful. And for me, crepes are something you can have all day long. You can turn this into a beautiful dessert by adding whipped cream and ice cream, or even chocolate syrup, and it would be just delicious. For now, this is breakfast with warm blackberry sauce and peaches and bananas with maple syrup, cinnamon, and powdered sugar. And of course, it tastes so much better when it's served warm. If you get the chance to make it and sit down and have a nice warm plate of crepes with nice warm blackberry sauce and also maple syrup. I hope you enjoy watching me make crepes with these beautiful toppings. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.